Today we're making LA galbi, a Korean-style grilled short ribs. The name LA galbi comes from Los Angeles, where Korean immigrants made this cut of ribs famous. Although it's everyone's favorite, galbi is a special occasion dish because it's pretty labor-intensive. But today I'm going to show you how to make a super delicious marinade without all that extra work. For LA galbi, here's what you'll need. Beef short ribs. Look for flanken-style ribs, which are sliced across the bone. I got mine from Costco. Try to avoid really thick cuts. Aim for pieces that are about 1 centimeter or just under half an inch thick. For this recipe, I'm using 2.25 pounds of beef short ribs, which is roughly about a kilogram. This amount is perfect for serving 3 adults, giving everyone a generous portion. Now, to make galbi in a traditional way, you'd have to grind up pineapple or kiwi, apple or Korean pear, and some onions. The reason for that is, the pineapple and kiwi help tenderize the meat, while the fruits add a unique sweetness that is different from regular sugar. But here's the secret. I'm skipping all that grinding and just using pineapple juice. Just make sure you get 100% pineapple juice. You'll also need soy sauce, honey and sugar, pepper and ginger powder. These 2 are optional, but I recommend it. And 12 cloves of garlic, or about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. First, let's prepare the ribs. Soak them in cold water. And add a spoonful of sugar. Soaking helps drain out excess blood, which can affect the taste of the marinade, and the sugar helps tenderize the meat. Let the ribs soak for about 30 minutes. While the ribs soak, let's get the marinade ready. In a bowl, combine a cup of pineapple juice, it's about 250 milliliters or 8 fluid ounces, and 8 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can reduce this by a tablespoon or 2 if you're making it for kids, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, two tablespoons of minced garlic, and half a tablespoon of ginger powder and some pepper to taste. After 30 minutes, drain the water from the ribs. If you're making this for kids, give the ribs a quick rinse to make sure there are no bone fragments left behind. Next, cut between the bones if you're planning to grill them on a pan. If you're using a barbecue grill or an oven, it's easier to cut them after cooking. Place the ribs in a container or resealable bag. Then pour the marinade over them. To make sure every piece is fully submerged, pour the marinade after each stack of ribs. Put them in refrigerator for at least 6 hours or overnight for the best flavor. If you're short on time, 3 hours will still work, but the longer the better. Mine is marinated for a full day, so now it's time to grill. Preheat your grill to medium heat. If you're using a pan, place the ribs on and cook them on each side. As you cook, the marinade will turn into a syrupy glaze, and the galbi will develop a beautiful caramelized brown color. If you have an oven or outdoor grill, that works too. Just make sure to keep an eye on them since the marinade has sugar, it burns quickly. And that's it. LA Galbi made easy without sacrificing flavor. LA Galbi is best served hot, right off the grill or pan. Pair it with steamed rice, kimchi, or lettuce for a classic Korean barbecue experience. Now, you can use a fork and knife to cut the meat off the bone, or you can just grab the bone with your hand and bite right into it. Trust me, you'll want to lick your fingers after. I hope you'll give this recipe a try, whether it is for a special occasion or just a casual barbecue at home. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious Korean recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.